There's a lot of critics of the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency technologies that for years have been bragging about the fact that they believed the US government was going to ban, outlaw, or prevent the adoption of these technologies. Well, my friends, every single one of those critics was wrong. The US government and the current administration behind President Biden has come forward this morning and they've put an executive order out. That executive order specifically focuses on ensuring responsible innovation in digital assets. That's right, the US government is not going to ban Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. It's not going to ban the use of blockchain technology. It's the exact opposite. The US government understands that this is of strategic importance. It is going to embrace this technology. It is going to try to become the leader of Bitcoin, crypto, and blockchain technology. Now, of course, as you dig into what's actually in the executive order, it only gets more bullish from there. We've got 7 different points that they're focused on in this executive order. The first is to protect US consumers, investors, and businesses. The second is to protect the US and global financial stability and mitigate systemic risk. The third is to mitigate illicit finance and national security risks posed by the illicit use of digital assets. The fourth is to promote US leadership in technology and economic competitiveness, to reinforce U.S. leadership in the global financial system. The fifth is to promote equitable access to safe and affordable financial services. The sixth is to support technological advances and ensure responsible development and use of digital assets. And lastly, to explore a U.S. central bank digital currency. Now, of course, every single one of those critics, every single one of the bears, everyone who was touting that the U.S. government was going to ban these technologies, not only are they wrong, but they were really misplaced in their fear-mongering, because the US government understands that this technology not only creates safer and fairer markets, but it's absolutely essential for many of the communities that are the most marginalized or misplaced in our society. Ultimately, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are good for business. They're good for individuals, they're good for corporations, they're good for financial institutions, and now we're seeing the United States publicly state Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are good for nation states too. This executive order has validated this industry. In less than 15 years, we've gone from inception to about $3 trillion in market cap. And now we have the largest nation states in the world coming out and saying, we want to be a leader. We have to embrace this technology. The future is bright, my friends. We're just getting started. Hey you, did you like this video? Great, we make 5 of them a day and post them here on this channel. Make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and see you next time.